So, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mary Astrop, and I'm a fourth-year PhD student in the Basic Medical Sciences program here at South. And I'm excited to be talking to you all today about my journey. So first, I'm a physician, and I practiced in Nigeria for about 5 years. And during the course of my practice, I encountered a patient that changed the course of my story. So this 16-year-old girl came in with complaints of vomiting, inability to see properly. She was having a diminished academic performance and recurrent headaches. And after examining her, I sent for the neurologist to examine her as well, after which we sent her for a brain CT scan, which showed features of medulloblastoma. And at this point, there was like little we could do for her because the cancer had metastasized to other regions of the brain. And this really got to me because I felt more needs to be done to this problem. Like, we need to find ways at which we can identify what is causing these different cancer diseases happening in our world today. So this then pushed me to add my voice to the fight against cancer. And I knew that in order for me to do it at an effective level, I needed to have a better understanding of mechanisms driving this disease. And this was what pushed me to sign up to enroll for the PhD program in Basic Medical Sciences. So why did I choose South? So I had three major reasons for choosing South. Firstly, because of the curriculum of the program. The curriculum here is a bit different from some of those you will find in other schools. For some other schools, you have to choose your track from your first year. But here you have you have an interdisciplinary curriculum in your first year that helps you to have a broad overview of different areas of biomedical science. So I found that really unique, and that was one of my reasons for choosing South. Next was because of the different research they were doing at MCI. I knew I was going to be enrolling in the cancer biology track, so I was really focused and reading about the different researches that were going on at the Mutual Cancer Institute. And lastly, I'm a goal-driven person, so anywhere I want to be, I try to read about what their mission or their vision is about. So the mission of the University of South Alabama actually aligns with my lifetime goal. That of the University of South Alabama is to strive to make a difference in the lives of those it serves through promoting discovery, health, and learning. My lifetime goal is to make a difference in the life of younger and older individuals through improving various healthcare systems, discovery, and mentoring. So about my research, I research about pancreatic cancer. So pancreatic cancer is a disease in which cancerous cells form in the tissues of the pancreas. So the pancreas is an organ in your abdomen. It secretes digestive enzymes for digestion. It also secretes hormones that helps you to regulate blood sugar. So pancreatic cancer is the third highest cause of cancer deaths in the United States. And it's predicted that by the year 2030, it's going to be the second highest leading cause of cancer deaths. And this disease has a 5-year survival rate of 11.5%. Now, we have this bad prognosis because it's usually diagnosed late. Many times when patients will come, they are already at a stage 3 or stage 4 where you can't really help them so much. So next is also because of ineffective therapies. And the last reason for the bad prognosis is because of lack of in-depth understanding of the mechanisms driving this disease. So my research focus is based on having a better understanding of the different mechanisms causing this pancreatic cancer in order to identify molecules that can be targeted or used for diagnosis, and then from here we can be able to develop more effective therapies for better management of patients. So for my research, we've been able to identify a mitochondrial import protein that has higher levels in pancreatic cancer patients compared to normal patients. And presently, I'm studying how this protein promotes pancreatic cancer development and progression in order to identify molecules that could be used for diagnosis or to be used to develop more effective therapies, ultimately helping better management of patients. So far in the program, I've been able to have a better understanding of pathological basis of various diseases, especially cancer. And I've also been able to formulate sound research questions. I've been able to design and execute experiments on my own. And lastly, it's helping me in my transition into becoming a physician scientist. So I want to encourage you, if you're thinking of having like a career in the biomedical science field, our program here at South is one that would be very helpful for you. So thank you so much.